Thank you so much, MTS, Chairman Arun sir, and Satish Kumar sir, Cultural Director, for this wonderful opportunity on the Swarna Dwajastambha Pratishthai, the inaugural concert for our kids. So we have made a conceptualized concert based on Trimurtis. It also includes Tamil because it's a Pamalai. Most of like our renditions are going to be in Tamil, which is going to be only the Tamil Isai Mummurthigal, the compositions of Tamil Isai Mummurthigal, featuring all the Trimurtis, Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. And the kids are already waiting. Once again, thank you MTS and Cultural Director Mr. Satish Kumar ji for this wonderful opportunity. Thanks a lot.
First we'll be singing Prabho Ganapate. First we'll be singing Prabho Ganapate in the Ragam Tillang Adi Thalam by the sage Agathir, a Pitamaha of the Tamil language.
Prabho Ganapate Paripu